Hello, trading is closed on November 8th, 2018. Yesterday we said there was a price target 2801.21 that printed. Looked for the pattern with the early low, and that's what this is. Tomorrow also has an early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up. Said not to look for a rally from a low to a high, and had this as a possible end of leg, and so far resistance there has held. We still say ultimately we'll see 2775.4. Here MEJT gave a buy, that's happened. Here it gave a sell, that's happened. Said this move would retrace, and that's happened. When this pattern doesn't close at the day's high, it leads to lower prices. It's invalidated if we take out this high early. But last time I looked, futures were down. This resistance held. I don't see any reason to change the call. Look for lower prices tomorrow. Going over this high is invalidation. But there's a good chance that's the end of the leg up and lower prices are coming, perhaps in a hurry. That's the call.